Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK, and here you will see the first link which will appear here will be from oracle.com. Just click this link here, and here you will see two options. One is Java platform with JDK, another is NetBeans with JDK 8. We want to click this Java button here, and in here you will see various options to download Java on your Windows operating system or Linux or Mac OS. So first of all, just click this accept license agreement, this radio button, and then you can download these executable file for your operating system. So we want to install it for our Windows operating system, and if you are using Windows 10, most probably you have Windows 64-bit, so just click this last option. Okay, and it's going to install Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system. Now once it's downloaded, I have already downloaded it, it's going to look like this. It will be like a executable file which you can run. So just double click on it, and it's going to show you this user account control. Just click yes, and I'm going to minimize everything else, and now the Java setup has been started. You just need to click next here and leave everything as default. Click next. Now while this installation is going on, let's see how to check whether Java is already installed on your system or not. So the simple way to check if Java is installed in your system is just go to your Windows Start button here and right click here and open command prompt. And by the way, our Java installation is asking for this next procedure, so just click next, and then we will come to this command prompt, and in here you just need to write Java C and press enter. And if it gives you this result that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then most probably Java is not installed on your system. So close this command prompt for now. We will check it once again once Java is installed on our system. And when the Java installation is complete, it will give you this message that Java SE Development Kit 8 update 60 successfully installed. You just need to click close, and now what you need to do is open your folder explorer and go to your PC, or click this PC and go to C folder and go to program files, and here you will be able to see this folder called Java, and inside this Java you will see two folders. One is JDK, another is JRE. So for simplicity, you can just rename those as only JDK and JRE. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so JDK and JRE. Now once you have installed Java, you just need to set up environment variable for Java, so that whenever some program wants to look for Java, it's automatically recognized by your program. So to set up environment variable, what you need to do is right click on your Windows button here, not left click but right click, right? So left click will open this option, but when you right click, it will open these options. And in right click you will see this option called control panel. Just open it, and in here go to systems, and in here click system. Okay, so go to system and security and click system, and in here you just need to click advanced system settings, and in here you will be able to see this environment variables, and in here go to system variables here and just go down and click the option which says path. Okay, so just double click on it and it's going to open it. So we need to edit this path variable, system variable, right? So go at the last, and what you need to do is you need to copy the location where you have installed this Java. So go to program files Java and go inside JDK folder, and then go inside bin folder where all the binary files are there, and copy this location which is C program file slash Java slash JDK slash bin, right? And then give a semicolon here, and then paste your path which you have copied, which is C colon slash program file slash Java slash JDK slash bin. Okay, and once again give a semicolon here, and then go to the folder where you have installed Java once again, and in here this time go to JRE folder, and inside JRE go to bin folder. Okay, and once again copy this path, and after the semicolon just paste this path here. Okay, and click OK, which will save your paths, and click OK once again, click OK once again, and you can minimize this. And now once again when you open the command prompt, so just open command prompt once again and then run Java C once again. So Java C and press enter, and now you can see it will give you so many options. And Java C is basically a command to compile Java source files. So it will give you this message that the usage of Java C is like this: Java C, then options, then source file, right? So now Java JDK is installed on your system. Now in some cases you may want to configure Java Home also after installing Java. So let's see how we can configure Java Home. So once again right click on your start menu and then go to control panel, and once again go to system security, and once again go to system, and in here go to advanced system settings and go to environment variables, and this time we will go to user variables for your whatever your computer name is. And in here just click this new button, and we will create a new variable name which is Java in capital and then underscore and then home, and this will be the variable name which is Java Home. So make it capital and separated by underscore and then write it home. So just remember that the spelling must be same and separated by this underscore, right? And in here you need to give the path to your JDK folder. So go to the location wherever you have installed Java and go to the JDK folder, and then copy the path of the JDK folder and paste it here. Okay, and click OK, OK, and OK. So in this way you can configure Java Home environment variable. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.